Yep. 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 Mm-hmm.
Just thought I'd do a little short video on power steering pump. You know, I replaced this thing, a few weeks ago, not very long. Anyway, it started leaking on me and I couldn't figure out why. I thought, I thought everything. Took it off and I was ready to take it back when I discovered that right here, where the stem goes in this casing, was loose. And well, anyway, instead of taking it back, I just took my JB Weld out and fixed it. Let me show you something when you don't prep the surface paint. When I got this thing, it was all painted up pretty. Got to know some paint chipping off of it. You ain't supposed to be able to do this, folks. Scrape it right off. That's what happens if you don't prep nothing. Probably dirty, greasy when they just sprayed it. They didn't care. Alright, I got it cleaned up, sprayed up. Looks pretty good right now. Wait to see, after it dries. I'm pretty sure that it's going to stick. I cleaned it and prepped it well, so I'm not finished painting. I got to paint the other side. You can see I've got the pump all painted up, all the bracket painted. We are ready to put this thing back on. If it leaks, it'll be the best looking leaking pump you ever seen, that's for sure. So let me get out here and see what I can do when I get back with you. Let me share something with you. There are 3 bolts to line up to get this pump back on. One being right there, if you can see that. The other 2 are down in that hole down in there. You can't see it. I barely can reach it. I got 2 of the 3 in. Third one should line up pretty good now. It's going to be a matter of getting them all tightened back up. Getting hoses put on, but let me get back with you. Now I'll work on the last one as far as brackets goes. Tighten him up. We will put the hoses on. Go back around, snug all bolts up on the brackets, and should be finished. Pour some fluid in it, test it. All right, that's tight enough. All right, got the high pressure side started. Tighten the threads up on that. Then we'll work on the low side. Times to make sure it was started. That's the last thing I wanted to do. It ain't tight, but it will work for right now. I'm gonna hit the bolts, the adjustment bolt in, which goes right there. Let me put the phone down and get it going. I'll get back to you. All right, got the belt back on, tightened up. Just got to go around now. All these little 9/16 bolts on these brackets. Snug them up, make sure everything's tight. Put the low pressure line on and feel it. So, yeah, we're good. All right. All right, so what we're going to do is going to fill, not completely full, but just enough to see if it's going to leak on us. I can get it in there without spilling it myself. Must say get in there. Not enough to fill, that's for sure. But okay, that's enough. Whoops, there was something. Get that wiped off and recheck that. Alright, feel again. Oh, I'm getting something wet. This ain't good. And this might be from overspill, because I did spill some. Wipe it all off. I would sure hate to take this thing back off again. There. Make sure my hands are dry. No leak there. That's all it was, overspill. Still gonna wait a few minutes. All right. So we're gonna wait, see if we got any leaks. And then we'll fire it up and test pressure. All right, plenty full. Time to test. I don't believe it. This damn thing's leaking again. But it's not leaking where I fixed it at. It's got another leak somewhere on the bottom of the reservoir. So it's got to come back off. Well, I found the problem. It's a high pressure side. See this nut right here? It's leaking between the nut and the case. Now, I think there's another nut on the inside of the reservoir. But in order to get the reservoir, you got to take that pulley off, which I can't get off. So, got it cleaned up. You see I sanded all around it and been spraying degreaser. We're fixing to slap some more JB Weld on it. Part where I put the JB on it before did not leak. So I got 2 dents right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and dive them because I'm gun shy now, man. Y'all stay tuned. Gonna give it about 3 or 4 hours and turn it back up. I got the fluid away from it right now. And if it leaks, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not the way I got it globbed on there, man. I put it on this time. Yep. Won't come apart either. I can guarantee you that. All right. I'll get back to you later on. Hey folks, back with you again. Well, I don't know if any of y'all can tell or not, but I did a fine job on that JB Weld, didn't I? Yeah, right. Went and got a new pump, so I did. Got tired of fooling with that other one, couldn't stop leaking. The only thing with this one, it's got a keyway, which I like. I had to order a new pulley, be here tomorrow. Until then, go ahead and slap this pump on and wait for the pulley to get here. So y'all stay tuned. I don't know, folks, whether I'm going to be able to get that pulley on. It's going to be tight. I mean tight. And probably I'll take the shroud loose and slide it off to the side. Here, let me get the blood off that bleed flame right there. There you go. That's better. I got the bolts all in the brackets. I just ain't tighten them up. Haven't put the lines on. I just got it sitting in here. Now, last time I had to cut part of this bolt off because it wouldn't go back far enough. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Gotta get down to tightening up everything and adjusting. Yeah. See, this pump was different from the other. The other pump had a press-on pulley, and this one, supposedly 73, same one. I mean, everything lines up so far. So I'll get back to you tomorrow when I get that pulley. You know what would be handy right now? One of those little salt cutoff wheels. Nah, I don't need one of them. I got a hacksaw blade, right? All I gotta do is sit here for the next 30 minutes and bag and board. I get it though. Y'all hold on. Hacksaw job complete. Any of y'all ever had to improvise with what you got? Sure, some of y'all use just a hacksaw blade held by a rag, you know? Works just as good sometimes. I don't think I got a hacksaw down in here anyhow. And dang sure didn't want to take them bolts back out. So there you go, folks. We're on with next step, which is going to be getting the pulley back tomorrow and fight that job. So y'all stay tuned again. All right, let's see what we got here. We got a chrome GM power steering pulley. I thought I was getting black. Okay, we'll see how the chrome goes. Let me get it out for us. You know, according to the camera, it's just been a couple of seconds, but it's been longer than that. I got it mocked up. That pulley did go on. It's close. I got to go get a fine thread nut. I picked up a coarse thread. But everything else is there and ready to put some fluid in it. Lines are tight. The brackets aren't tight. But I will tighten them once I get the nut on and the belt tension set. So y'all stay tuned at least one more day for this fine show. All right, folks, another day. Stop by the hardware store and see if they had a fine thread nut. That's a pretty big washer. Do I need a washer? I don't think I do. It's not a lock, so I'm not going to put it on. Let's see if the nut fits. So I can get my hand down in there. Like a charm. Alright, let's get a wrench. See if we can't tighten all this stuff up. I get back, got the keyway. I'll get back with you. Well, no leaks. Pulley hasn't come off and hit me in the head yet. I think it's a success. All thing I haven't done is put my bolts back in the scrap because I'm debating doing another project tomorrow. And that is taking the bolts out of the fan, backing up. But until then, I'm glad y'all watched. And oh, by the way, if y'all got some comments about how smart you are and how you can do it better, do me a favor, my friends. Keep it to yourself. I appreciate you watching.